Frankie Edgar fought BJ Penn. Renzo Gracie made his debut against Matt Hughes, lost that fight. Frankie Edgar made history by defeating BJ Penn in somewhat of a shocker, won via decision. And then, of course, the main event that just completely went off the rails and was one of the more bizarre scenes that I've ever witnessed. It was so interesting because
I've been clicking in preparation, and then just something wasn't coming together on fight night, and that's how it goes. Sometimes, obviously not. I think I'm fired. A lot of people have been calling me out recently over the last couple years. See me on a decline. Maybe I'm that easy fight that the guy who had a lot of status and a lot of stature in the sport and in the rankings at one point, but now is fading from glory. And that if you look at things, and that's there's an argument to be made for that. But skills wise, and where I'm at, my confidence in my abilities and what I expect to show in December, I know for a fact that I'm.
Against Sato, one could say it's a setup fight, a fight to get along. And it probably will play out that way. I've seen Sato drop by lesser fighters out there in Pancrase. He lost to Gladico Franca by submission. The only thing I would say Sato has on Bilal is size. And Bilal's not necessarily a fighter known for his knockout power. Definitely has good striking, but more than likely this fight was Sato. Shane's said the only way he can win by knockout, I feel like, a couple years. Shane's said the only way he can win by knockout, I feel like, a couple years. Shane's said the only way he can win by knockout, I feel like, a couple years.
Dad means to him. A lot has been made of this, and it seems very sincere and genuine. When he calls his dad over and you guys are standing there together, and he's publicly giving you a shout out, telling you to speak, like, this doesn't happen often. For someone who's been
obviously they know what they're dealing with, so they're going to go to the drawing board. They're going to try to fix those holes. I think Dustin was in awe during Fight Week. I think that it's probably just a culture shock. How everything was, and just it was probably just a lot, man, for both fighters. So I think that, with that being said, I think the next fight they're gonna probably have one of the best Khabibs you've ever seen. So they're gonna fix a lot of holes in this game, and he's gonna take those nerves, and hopefully, Like, he didn't even sound like he wanted to take the fight. Seriously, if you.